Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add items to your shopping cart on Amazon. Whether you're picking up everyday essentials or treating yourself to something special, knowing how to efficiently add products to your cart will streamline your shopping experience and make checkout much faster. First, open your web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account. This step is important because it ensures your cart stays synced across devices and saves your items for later. Now that you're logged in, navigate to the search bar at the top of the page and click on it. Type in the product you're looking for and press enter. This will bring up a list of relevant results based on your search query. Take a moment to browse through the product list that appears. Amazon typically shows you a variety of options with different prices, ratings, and features, so scroll through until you find the product that catches your eye. Once you've found it, click on the product to open its detailed page. On the product page, you'll often see several options to customize your purchase. Look for selections like color, size, or style depending on what you're buying. Click on your preferred color or any other variation that suits your needs. This step ensures you're getting exactly what you want, so make sure to double-check your selections before moving forward. Next, you'll want to decide how many of this item you need. In the right panel, click on the quantity field and a drop-down menu will appear. Select your preferred quantity from this menu, whether you need just one or multiple units. This is where you specify that. After setting your quantity, click Add to Cart. This action places the item into your shopping cart where it will be saved until you're ready to complete your purchase. The item is now safely stored and you can continue shopping or proceed to checkout whenever you're ready. To make sure everything went smoothly, click Go to Cart. This will take you to your shopping cart page where you can review all the items you've added. Take a moment to confirm that the product, color, size, and quantity are all correct. This verification step is helpful before you finalize your order. And there you have it. You've successfully added an item to your Amazon shopping cart. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.